Hi everyone, it's Zen Carpentry. Today I'm going to show you how to varnish cover yourself efficiently and quickly. What you're going to need is roller like that, short hair roller, and synthetic brush. And water-based varnish. Shake it well before use. When you do varnish though, start from the top, because if any drops fall, you'll be able to pick them up and make sure that finishes as you would expect it to be. First you want to brush all the corners, all the perimeter before you use roller. To start with, you can go across the grain. But when you do a final once over, you want to go with the grain, because otherwise you'll leave streaks which you don't want to have mostly. So once you've done your cutting in, you get your roller, get it wet. Nice and wet. Roll the area. Don't be shy, get more if it gets dry. And then to finish off, you take the brush and you go with the grain to take roll marks off. And you repeat that on every side, but always remember to start from the top down. You're going to need at least 2 coats if wear and tear is minimal, but if wear and tear is quite big, then you would want to put 3 coats on, just to make sure it lasts. So don't be shy with the rollers. Put more. Make sure your roller is nice and wet. And then repeat those process with the brush. And I would suggest you do one panel at a time, because water-based varnish or paint, they do tend to dry very quickly. If you have any drops on the floor, on the bottom piece, to take them off, brush them off, otherwise you'll leave lumps. Use the roller again. process. So once more, you brush all the perimeter, then you roll the middle, and then you go over with the brush to make sure you don't leave roll marks, and that's how you get your good finish. So a minimum of 2 coats. If you think that you're gonna have high wear area there, use 3, and that will be just spot on. Between every coat you want to sand it with 180 grade sandpaper to get the best finish possible. And also when you do the first coat, you have to be quite quick because it would draw in varnish and it could leave some patches if you take too long, so be aware of that. Cheers!